going to be talking about how to get rid of butt acne using 5 home remedies. Welcome guys, this is Yamin's Beautiful. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine. Wherever you might be watching me from, you are all welcome. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. And for those of you that have just been watching my videos without subscribe, please just hit that subscription button. Yeah, and if you love my content, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Yes, that goes a long way to help push me up so that more people will view my content. Okay guys, so on today's video we're talking about 5 home remedies to get rid of butt acne. You know what's butt? Your down below, the buttocks. Yeah. We have 5 home remedies. I'm not talking of the counter products or the skincare products or but home remedies, things you get in your home, in your kitchen cabinet. Watch this video to the end to get to know how to get rid of home butt acne. It's not something you should be ashamed of. Yeah, there's so many people that have this issue. It's just as a result of the hair follicles on your behind, you know, which gets clogged. Yeah, which gets clogged. So please don't be ashamed. So many people out there, this video could help somebody, so we shouldn't be ashamed of it. I've also experienced it one time in my life. Yeah, so it's not something we should be ashamed of. It's something that happens to anybody. It could happen to anybody just because as a result of the clogged hair follicles in your behind. Okay, they have natural solutions. That's why this video is here, that can give you flawless behind. Yeah. Causes of butt acne. It's actually caused when the hair follicles on your body or your butt area are infected by staph aureus or staph bacteria. Don't get me wrong, staph bacteria are always present on the surface of your skin and they cause no harm except there is a break in your skin. And that's when the bacteria will enter into your skin and cause infections. When you see small boils, some little boils, this is as a result of that infection. Yeah, don't be afraid when you hear stuff. Yeah, go and do your research. When you hear things, don't just discard it or doubt it or just believe it. Go and do your own research to understand what somebody is talking about. Okay. So on this video, I'm not talking about treating the boils, but butt acne. I'm not talking of boils as a result of that, but I'm talking of butt acne. They are different things. It is not an infection. Keep watching this video so that you get to know the 5 home remedies that will put an end to this your butt acne. First of all, you can treat butt acne with salt water. Very easy. Salt water solution salt is composed of sodium chloride, which is known for its antibacterial properties. What you'll be needing is 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of warm water, and a clean washcloth. Ensure that cloth is clean and it's just for that purpose. If you are treating butt acne, that washcloth needs to be clean. Soak the washcloth in the solution, squeeze out excess water, and apply the washcloth to the butt. Yeah, and the best time to do is after your shower. You can do it 2 to 3 times daily, and within 1 to 2 weeks you'll see results without going to take any medication and stuff. Like, just use this salt water solution. And the next one will be ACV. That's apple cider vinegar. Yeah, you need 2 tablespoons of ACV, 1 glass of water. This is a very strong solution. You know, some people might be sensitive to it, so please be cautious. Don't get me wrong, this is not harmful. Yeah, just based on your skin type. We actually drink ACV, we take in ACV. So you will need 2 tablespoons of ACV, 1 glass of water, cotton pads, then mix it, apply it on your butt. Let it stay for 20 to 30 minutes and then rinse it off with water, or you could just pour some ACV into your bath water and soak in it. You can do this 3 to 4 times a week for effective results. ACV has antimicrobial properties which can fight acne causing bacteria. It is so good. Please, ACV. I didn't mean vinegar, white vinegar. I mean apple cider vinegar. Then the third one on my list will be baking soda. It is very effective. Baking soda possesses antibacterial properties that can help combat the acne causing bacteria. It will help balance your skin pH level. Try baking soda. The fourth will be fresh aloe vera gel. It has excellent healing and anti-inflammatory properties. Aloe vera can quickly dry up your butt acne. It will prevent future breakouts. Yes. Apply fresh aloe vera gel and let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes, then wash it off with water. Very easy. You can actually do this every day. The fifth and the last on my list will be tea tree oil. Apply 3 to 4 drops to 1 tablespoon carrier oil. You have to mix it. Don't use it directly on your skin, such as olive oil or coconut oil. Do this 2 to 3 times daily for best results. Tea tree oil is a great home remedy for butt acne or any acne at all, even if you have it on your face. Tea tree oil is one go-to product to use. It has exceptional antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Yes. So guys, those are the 5 home remedies to clear butt acne. Yes, very good, very good. Tips for managing the butt acne. Since you know how to use these 5 home remedies for treating your butt acne, you need to take precautionary measures to keep that area always clean and it to be treated as quickly as possible. 1, avoid pressing the bumps or on the butt area. Don't press it in any way. Then the second one is wear cotton underwear, breathable underwears. The third one will be ensure your towel is always clean. Wash it often. Wear clean clothes. Wash your clothes regularly. Use a lotion containing lactic acid. Yes, dry brushing is good. Once or twice a week. It exfoliates and unclogs your pores. Okay guys, that was all for this video. See you on the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up to show you like my content. If you have any comments, drop it on the comment section below and I'll reply. Bye guys.